the Treasurer General, the DSG, the SG, and the Deputy President. We thank all the chairpersons and secretaries of provinces who are here today, members of the Central Command team, and leaders of provinces who are with us here, and the sub-regional leadership that is here today, and the ground forces of the revolutionary movement of the economic emancipation in our lifetime. Re leboge ka moka batswadi ba rena ba Malema ba ba beng gona mo, re leboge le bashabi ka moka ba ba tlogileng kgola le kgauswi ba re ba tlo re supporta, including Ntate Maja le mokhumagadi wa gagwe, and everybody who's here today to come and support us. We appreciate all of you, and we don't take for granted your support, because you could have done other important things other than coming here. But you thought it was important for you to come and put your bodies on the line in defense of the revolution, in defense of the economic emancipation, in defense of the only organization of the petrol attendants, of the domestic workers, of the construction workers, of the farm workers, of the downtrodden, of the teachers, the nurses, everyone who is dejected by the system that benefits the minority. This organization belongs to everyone who doesn't own the means of production. We salute our international visitors who are here today, who are confirming that the idea for economic emancipation is not only in South Africa, it's in the whole of Africa and the diaspora. We thank all political parties for putting their differences aside to come and defend the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Lelebetu acknowledge MKP is also here to support the revolution. Comrades, we are saying to you, your discipline is something else. Some of you traveled for 2 days. Those who come from Limpopo, when they go back, they are going to arrive on Sunday. But we must thank the TG. TG and all leaders who made a contribution to make sure that you travel safe. We want to appeal to the bus drivers. If you feel tired, park on the side and sleep. You must not insist on driving a bus, because you are going to kill the future of South Africa. One EFF member who dies, you must know 100 people lose hope because that fighter passed away. So do not destroy the hopes of the masses of our people. We send our condolences to those children who died in Gauteng in an accident that could have been avoided. We say to the taxi drivers, we need to change our behavior, because you are carrying the future of South Africa. Our children cannot be transported like you are transporting potatoes, like you are transporting cabbages. You must know, in that taxi, there is one head which is going to change the life of that particular family. And when you kill those children, you are killing the future of South Africa and the hopes of that family. Fighters, we must never get discouraged. It doesn't matter what the magistrate decide. The revolution continues. We know why we are being attacked. We are attacked because we are the only black authority. We are the only black people who speak and other people listen. They do not listen to anyone except the EFF, even when they pretend not to love the EFF. But when the EFF speaks, every black person wants to hear. What did the EFF